How to redeem Carl's JR promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over here, type in Carl's JR promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get working promo code for Carl's JR. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Carl's JR. So open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Carl's JR. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, 30% off, $50 off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on shop. You'll be directed to the official website of Carl's JR. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over here, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, your code will be redeemed and you'll get certain amount as a discount. So this is how you can easily redeem Carl's JR promo code. By applying the same process, you can easily redeem other code as well. So that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.